up, guys? So I'm over here at my buddy's house again. Basically, this is where I do, everything that I do, because I don't have a place to do it, unfortunately. So I'm in my goddaughter's Integra, and we're installing a stereo. So I'm probably gonna be recording a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and hopefully fixing my throttle cable on the CRV. So just gonna show you guys maybe a little time lapse on installing the stereo and wiring and whatnot, and just little clips here and there. So right now we're gonna check that the wiring works. Hopefully it does. Looks to be the right one, but let's see, hopefully it is. So she got this she got this for her birthday, and it's like touch screen and it's got a rear camera. So I'm gonna try to install it for her. This is the one they gave us, which looks to be good, so hopefully everything matches up and we're good to go. Which makes it easier and stuff. Yep, direct fit. So now just match up the wires. Tape it up. And done. Probably won't bore you guys too much with this, so I'm gonna turn it off and I'll get back when I'm done. Alright guys, so finished up the install. Got it all set up. Sorry I didn't get to show much, but as you can tell, it's dark outside. I just wanted to get this done. Ooh, what happened? Oh, okay. Yep, with the Honda logo. You know it. Gotta jam up. But pretty much everything's working. We got the backup camera, which I guess is not working no more. What's going on? Oh, there you go. Got the backup camera. Not sure why it didn't kick in right away. But and we're good. So yeah, I was gonna work on the CRV. She's over there somewhere in the dark, but it got too late and I can't do anything now. But at least I finished this up. Let's see, hopefully it kicks in right away. Let's see. That's whack. You have to basically change it every single time. But yeah, I'll probably show you guys a package I got in the mail to end this video, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Hey, what's up guys? So basically another video. Got some packages this time here. Just basically gonna be a video add-on to the other video that I'm gonna put on there, starting first of the stereo I did on my goddaughter's car. So this is just another add-on to that video. So let's see what we got here today. Let's see, let me find something to open this sucker up. So this package here I had already gotten. I'm not sure if you guys can read it from here, but GT35 turbo, and this is the turbo I had ordered as a replacement, thinking my other turbo had gone bad. But like I said, I really haven't had a chance to do any of the videos, so I'll just show it to you guys. And this was pretty much just a cheap replacement. So when I had a chance and a little bit more money to get an actual branded turbo, but I've used this turbo previously in the past in a couple other builds when I first started turboing some of my cars back then, and I had really good luck with this turbo, and that's why I ordered it. So this one's a let's see here. This is a CX Racing GT35. I had this on a couple other cars, like I was telling you guys, when I first started turboing them, and had really good luck. Never had any of them blow out on me, and I made some decent PSI on it. It was like either I had it on one of my setups on 15 PSI, another setup on 22 PSI. At that time I wasn't getting dyno tuned, so I don't know what the numbers were. But pretty much, you know, I had two of these turbos. One lasted a whole season, and then I sold the turbo kit setup, and the guy who had it for a while, and I don't know what happened after that because I didn't really talk to the guy. And then the other setup I had, which was on the 22 PSI, so I don't know how much power I was putting down, but it would rip. It was a LS turbo, probably around, you know, high 300s, maybe low 400s, because I had a V20 on the precision turbo that I have now, making 400 horsepower at 16 PSI. So I mean, 22 PSI, it's a smaller turbo than this one here, so I'm pretty sure I was making around that range as well on the 22 PSI on the LS. So yeah, I mean, basically I got this as a, you know, quick replacement. Basically comes with the turbo manifold to turbo gasket, and then a downpipe gasket, and then a little O-ring for the feed, and for the drain. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. A lot of people say eBay turbos are no good and this and that, but like I was telling you guys, I've had a couple and they never really went bad on me, and I used them for a couple seasons. Main thing to look at with some of these guys is a lot of the eBay turbos that are my bad. A lot of the eBay turbos that are out there that you get aren't balanced, and that's basically, you know, shitty turbos. They pretty much go out if they're not balanced. That's the main thing why turbos go out, is because they're not balanced. But this one looks to be balanced. Basically the main thing to look at is, as you can see right there, it's grinded down. And then over here as well, has some little spots grinded down in there. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to tell that great. I know the lighting isn't so great, but yeah, the GT35 from CX Racing. One second, yeah, from CX Racing. And like I said, I've had them before and never had really bad luck with them, so I decided to buy it as a replacement. I decided to buy it as a cheap replacement till I got my other turbo ready and stuff like that. And it also came with the drain line and the water fittings and a restrictor and the bolts and extra bolts and stuff. And it also came with this 4-bolt to V-band flange. So I mean, for the price, I think I paid $289 shipped, so that's not bad at all. It's a good price for an eBay turbo, you know. And like I said, I've used them before and never had any issues with them. So if you're looking to get a turbo and you're looking for a cheap replacement, I mean, I would recommend them. But it's not everybody has the money for a real turbo, so this is what unfortunately we have to do. Or save up a little bit, put a weight on your build, and get a good branded turbo, which everybody says, but like I said, I never really had an issue with it, so it's pretty much whatever. And for the Black Friday deals, I got, you can probably see it, Action Clutch. So I just want to send out a shout out to I think it's Works JDM, which is Marty. He's got that super clean orange EK hatch with I think K24, K20 with what brand? I think it's a Pro Charger or Supercharger. I'm making about almost 600 horsepower, and I think he has this clutch on there too. This is the Ironman clutch, and they're running the deal, and I think I got a better deal through him than most of the other vendors, so I just want to shout out him, say thank you for that. And you know, he took my order, and basically I placed the order on Thursday night and got here 2 days ago, which was Tuesday. So I mean, 4 days, 2 days, something like that, because they were running the deal for Friday, so I just placed it Thursday night. Took my order and bam. So pretty much the only other thing I'm waiting for is a map sensor. I did place that order directly through him as well, and basically just waiting for that and figure out a day when we're gonna put in this clutch. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys as well. So like I was saying, I got their Ironman clutch kit, and I got a flywheel from them. Whew. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Ironman clutch. And it comes with a OEM throwout bearing, so that's good. I have a new throwout bearing on my car, but I'm just gonna change everything at once. They threw in 2 Action Clutch stickers, decent size. They also threw in a Action Clutch lanyard. They have the alignment tool and the pilot bearing, which is going to be getting changed out on mine too, because the one I used, it was actually an old pilot bearing. I'm not going to take this out, but you guys can see it, red and gold pressure plate, heavy duty. So yeah, that's the Ironman right there. And there you guys go. The flywheel. This is an action clutch flywheel as well. I'm not sure. It's a lightweight. I'm not sure how many pounds it is, to tell you the truth, because I just told them I needed a K series clutch and a flywheel, because they were running a deal on both. So I don't know what they gave me, but it's pretty light. So yeah guys, so this is gonna be pretty much it, the end of the video. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving with you guys' family and friends, and you know, hope you guys just had a good time. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.